Well, welcome back to another chapter of this old beast. John Deere A power plant. For those of you who are new to the channel, it was a John Deere A tractor. Back end got bobbed off, the front end got thrown away, and if you've been watching, you know it was a frigged up mess. But we ran it this morning. It runs pretty good, you know. I could hear one lifter rattling, but it probably had rust behind it because I didn't have much compression. So I'm assuming that as soon as it ran a little bit, things seated in. Now I probably got to go over the overhead again, but anyway, that's all right. So we bobbed off the front. No reason to have wheels down here. And the top cover up top is just right to go on the bottom. So I didn't get it exactly square, as you can see. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drill and tap a couple of holes in there. And then I believe what I'm going to do is mix up some of that Duraglass that I used on the back here. And I will leave this gap right open. I'll smear that stuff in there. I'll set this on. And I'll just let that stuff harden right there, and I'll have my frigged up cut repaired. Seems simple enough. Got a couple of small holes that I made. Hopefully you can see that. That's so that condensation, you know, or anything that gets in there can come out. And yeah, kind of cool. I'm not gonna bore you with all the details, but I'll show you what I got done here when I get it done. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the machine. I forgot to take a picture of it when it was laying down horizontal. But as you can see, it came out pretty good. You know, I mean, I'm not a body man, don't claim to be, you know, but it's solid, you know. Nothing there to get cut on after you cut it off. And this up here, the medallion will cover. Yeah, I may actually put a piece of flat plate over those just to keep mice and stuff out of there, you know, but I don't know if they'll bother it or not, being so greasy. Probably not. But anyway, so my next problem is these two bolts right here. I gotta take this back off. It's only held on these two. Both sides of the top radiator tank, the two top bolts broke. As you can see, I put some regular John Deere green onto it just to make it look a little better. I think it does look better green, you know, the John Deere green. And anyway, it's not going to be a showpiece. It's just going to be something just to keep it from rusting and whatnot. So anyway, I'm not going to bore you with drilling out broken off bolts. You've all been there. You all know how to do it, or you should. Anyway, I'm going to go get my set of punches and drills and play up there. I only got a half hour, 7:30. I told Carol I'd be up at 8. So I'll get one or two of them drilled out and yeah, move a little further along. Well, we saved one. Haven't tried that one yet. It's one of those things that there's already a pilot hole drilled in them. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's filled up with paint and crap, but the other side was drilled also, but it's not, the other side wasn't in the center. Made it for a little bit of a challenge, but we got it. This one looks like it's in the center. We'll see when we start drilling. And this one here I broke off myself the other day. That one's down here where it's handy to get to. And I can get that one out easy enough. So I got one more difficult one. And all this stuff here is all good anyway. So, yeah. So tomorrow I'm going to take some video of the greenhouses. Haven't done any videos out there, and they're about as good looking as they're going to get because we're starting to sell a lot. So that's going to be tomorrow's little adventure. So anyway, hope everyone's safe, and we'll see you on the next one.